TikTok orders piling up? Let Amazon FBA ship them for you automatically. So we can see right here on TikTok, you've got your account, you've got everything set up. Make sure you have a TikTok account. Then you're going to go to your products and then make sure you make a listing, right? So in order for Amazon to fulfill it for you, you need to make your TikTok listing and then make sure it has the same exact SKU as your Amazon FBA listing. So if we go into Amazon FBA and we open it up, we're going to see a listing right here, and we can see in Amazon FBA, number one, we have inventory. We've got 80 in stock. And number two, it has the same exact SKU, BioTrust 1000 count, as the one on TikTok. So if we go back to TikTok, we'll see TikTok, same SKU. So that way, when somebody orders from TikTok, Amazon knows, they look, oh, that's the same SKU, takes it from your FBA inventory, ships it directly to the customer, right? So you want to set that up first, make sure everything's set up, and then also go into your delivery settings and make sure it's under seller shipping, right? Once that's set up, you're going to go to Google, go to Map My Channel, right? Map My Channel, type that in on Google, you'll see mapmychannel.com. What you're going to do is click on here. There's going to be a login, click login, and then you're going to be able to sign up for free. Sign up for free, connect your TikTok, connect your Amazon account. Then it's going to be like this, right? When somebody places an order on TikTok, it's going to show up right here, right? And you can see it's closed because they already shipped it out and everything's done. But you can view the order on TikTok, view the order on Amazon. And right when somebody does click an order on TikTok, the inventory synced, the order synced. So Amazon actually ships it to the customer, puts the tracking ID into TikTok, and even ships it in a blank box so they don't know it's coming from Amazon. So you can set that all up right here. And the best part is it's free. So usually these things cost a lot of money, right? Like 29 bucks a month or something. But they do have a free plan that you can stay on as of right now, as long as you want, and generate some sales. Then of course, once you hit a certain threshold, then you can upgrade to the different plan, right? So definitely check this out. That's the quickest way to expand and have Amazon do all of the shipping for you. Tested myself, it works extremely well. You can also go to our website. We do have a course on how to sell on TikTok. You scroll down, how to sell on TikTok Shop, and how many of our clients made millions of dollars selling on TikTok and Amazon. Also, there's a more in-depth practice on how to connect your TikTok to Amazon if you need it. But I'm sure from this video, you can figure it out yourself and you don't need a course. But hey, it's there if you need it. That's it for today's video. If you want more videos like this, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you are an Amazon or TikTok seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your e-commerce journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon or TikTok, contact EHP Consulting Group. Links right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.